Verifiable results. How much value does verifiable proof carry? I was going to talk about visible proof or results, but then I thought about how AI and deep fakes have become a reality now, and reality has changed as a result. Makes me think of the line Richard Pryor said when confronted by his girlfriend telling him she saw him with another woman with her own eyes. And he answered, well, who are you going to believe? Me or your lying eyes? Well, we've all been lied to. We've probably all been sold something that wasn't at all what it was represented to be. I know I have. And so it's wisdom to verify the truth of claims. But how can we do that in this age of deep fakes? What kinds of proof are reliable? Photographs are no longer reliable proof, but as long as we have enforceable laws that protect the consumer, written contracts and guarantees, we can consider such as reliable. And I understand and appreciate that hearing about something you've never heard of before, and that thing supposedly has some magic like powers, it's easy to be disbelieving. I was talking with a retired VP of a big aeronautics company the other day, and he had never even heard of infinite banking. He's worked with a financial advisor for many years, but no surprise, he had never mentioned infinite banking. And I really want to talk about fiduciary responsibility now and how every financial fiduciary should advise their clients about infinite banking, but I won't. So, what then are the verifying proofs that I can offer? It should be no surprise that life insurance is in itself a contract, an enforceable contract. Included within the contracts for whole life insurance are written illustrations that include tabular values of guaranteed cash value of the contract over time. I should say that universal life insurance contracts also include illustrations with tabular values for the cash value of the policy. But look closely and you will see that those are not guaranteed values with universal life. They are estimated values. So in every case, it is important that you ask the questions and read the small print, especially with universal life policies. But we're not concerned with universal life policies here. Now, let's talk about the claims for infinite banking that seem to have magical powers and the verifiable, enforceable guarantees. First, and in my opinion, foremost, is the power to earn high compounding interest, eliminate opportunity cost, and take free non-direct recognition loans. There are some qualifiers required for all these claims. So here they are. The highest interest paid to the cash value of whole life is with the top mutual companies. In order to get truly free policy loans, the insurance company must be one that charges a lower simple interest rate on policy loans than they pay in compounding interest to the cash value of their participating policies. And they must have a non-direct recognition policy with regard to their policy loans. That simply means that when a loan is taken, leveraging the cash value, the only way the cash value of your account is affected is that the amount of your cash value equal to the loan is held as collateral. But even so, all of your cash value continues to earn the high compounding interest. Unfortunately, not all insurance companies have a non-direct recognition policy, and those who don't have a direct recognition policy, which basically penalizes your cash value when you have a policy loan outstanding, in that the amount of your cash value equal to the loan does not earn any interest as long as the loan is outstanding. Now, for all of these reasons, it's important to work with an independent agent or broker who is familiar with all of these variables and the policies of the best insurance providers, and one who is experienced in designing policies for the maximum cash value and growth for use with the infinite banking strategies. And here's the verifiable proof. All these variables I've mentioned here are fully disclosed within the contracts of each insurance provider's policies. And again, insurance policies are legal, binding contracts. So when a whole life policy satisfies the requirements of one, paying higher compound interest to the policy than it charges for policy loans, two, has a non-direct recognition policy for policy loans, and three, provides policy design options that give the policy owner immediate cash value and rapid growth of the cash value. Then application of infinite banking strategies will, in fact, provide free loans and eliminate opportunity costs. And remember, all of these policy features are fully defined in the policy contract. So they are fully verifiable in writing and defensible by law. Another fantastic, hard to believe benefit is that policy loans do not carry repayment requirements. That means that you can take a policy loan and not make any payments on the loans until you want to. I didn't personally make a payment on my first infinite banking policy loan for a full year. There are no penalties and credit scores are not affected. Now, this claim will no doubt require some convincing evidence, but I'm going to tell you right now that with infinite banking, you can actually recover up to 7 times the amount of money you spend when using the infinite banking strategies. Yeah, make me prove it. Give me a call, message, text, or email me, and I'll send you the book that shows you how all this works as a free gift. It's called Tax-Free Cash Growth Warehouse, the 178-year-old secret. If you find this to be helpful, please like this video and subscribe to this channel and share it with your family and friends. Also, please post your questions and comments here. You have questions, we have answers. For a more complete explanation of the tax-free cash growth warehouse strategy, you can watch our free 60-minute on-demand webinar. The link is in the description box below. The link to buy my books on Amazon.com is also below. If you'd like to book a free phone consultation with me, the link to my Calendly page is also below here. If you'd like to apply to become a client of ours, the link to the application is also below. We're here to help. We look forward to helping you. Aloha and mahalo for watching.